Hello, I'm Zoe Vrodisi. I'm the co-spokesperson of the Greek Green Party, and I'd like to invite you to this year's Autumn EGP Council, which is held in Athens. We want to give a strong message both to Greek citizens and all EU citizens that we are a strong family, we are a strong European family, and that Greece is still a strong player in this family. We want to give a message on how we visualize the future of EU, what is the Europe that the Greens dream about, and how we are going to fight about getting the Europe that we want to have. We want to give a strong message about the EU solidarity and prove to the Greek citizens that Europe can show the way out of the crisis. Thank you for accepting our invitation to come to Greece.